Hello, I'm Thamis Harasu, your go-to business coach. Today we are going to dive deep into the world of Amazon affiliate marketing. If you've ever wondered how to turn your online presence into a profitable venture, then you are in the right place. Let's unravel the secrets behind successful Amazon affiliate marketing. 1. Understanding the fundamentals of Amazon affiliate marketing. Amazon affiliate marketing is a program where you promote products from Amazon on your platform. Every time a user makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Understanding how this works is the first step towards making money online. Remember, knowledge is the key to success. 2. Setting up your Amazon affiliate account. Setting up your Amazon affiliate account is the first practical step towards becoming an affiliate marketer. I will guide you through the process that includes signing up, choosing your niche, and selecting the right products to promote. Step 1. Head to Amazon's homepage, link is in the description. Step 2. Click on Join Now for free. Step 3. Fill in the form. Step 4. Provide your website details. Step 5. Create your store ID. Step 6. Explain your website or app. Step 7. Enter your phone number. Last but not least, you'll need to enter your phone number. A PIN will be sent to your phone for verification purposes. After entering the PIN, click on Call Me Now, and your account will be created. 3. How to choose profitable products to promote as an Amazon affiliate. Know your audience. This is the most important rule in affiliate marketing. If you understand what your audience needs and wants, you are already halfway there. For instance, if you're running a tech blog, promoting the latest gadgets and gizmos would be a smart move. Tracking down high-demand products can be a goldmine. Make sure to research on Amazon's bestseller lists, examine customer reviews and ratings. Evergreen products are those which consistently sell year-round, while seasonal products are popular during a specific time of year. 4. Effective strategies for driving traffic to your Amazon affiliate links. Driving targeted traffic to your affiliate links is a make or break factor in affiliate marketing. I'll show you proven strategies to get more eyes on your links and increase your chances of earning more commission. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest can be powerful tools in directing traffic to your affiliate links. Share interesting and engaging content that resonates with your audience and subtly incorporate your affiliate links. Search engine optimization, SEO, can significantly boost the visibility of your affiliate links. Use relevant keywords, optimize your website's load speed, and ensure it is mobile-friendly to improve its ranking on search engine results. Posting high-quality content consistently is a surefire way to drive traffic to your affiliate links. This could be in the form of blog posts, product reviews, or how-to guides. Ensure your content provides value to your audience, solve their problems, or answer their questions. Building an email list and sending out regular newsletters featuring your affiliate links can be a very effective strategy. Guest posting on popular blogs in your niche is another great way to drive traffic to your affiliate links. This can not only help you reach a wider audience but also establish your authority in your niche. 5. The role of SEO in Amazon affiliate marketing success. Firstly, let's understand why SEO is so important. It's simple. SEO makes your content visible. The better your SEO strategies, the higher your content will rank on search engines. This increased visibility can directly translate into more clicks on your Amazon affiliate links. One of the key elements of SEO is the effective use of keywords. These are terms that your potential audience is likely to search for. Including these in your content can significantly increase your visibility. Another important aspect of SEO is link building. This includes both inbound links from other websites to your content, and outbound links from your content to other reliable sources. A good link building strategy can greatly enhance your SEO performance. 6. Creating high-converting Amazon affiliate content. Quality content is the backbone of any successful marketing effort. I will show you how to create high-converting content that effectively promotes your Amazon affiliate products. The first step to creating compelling content is to understand your audience. Know their pain points, what they value, and how your chosen affiliate product can meet their needs. Tailor your content to resonate with your audience. Great content promotes itself. Ensure your content is engaging, high quality, and provides value to your audience. This includes writing detailed product reviews, tutorials, and guides that incorporate your affiliate links. Your content should encourage your audience to click on your affiliate link. A good way to do this is by having a strong CTA. Something as simple as "click here to purchase" can significantly increase your conversion rate. 7. How to track your Amazon affiliate marketing performance. First and foremost, Amazon provides a comprehensive affiliate dashboard that gives you a detailed overview of your performance. The data includes clicks, earnings, and conversion rates. You can also filter your results based on date range, tracking ID, and link type. This is a valuable tool that's designed to help you keep your finger on the pulse of your affiliate business. Pairing Amazon's dashboard with Google Analytics can provide additional insights. Google Analytics can show you which of your website pages are driving the most traffic to Amazon, and which traffic sources are the most lucrative. You can also set up goal tracking in Google Analytics to monitor specific actions users take on your site, such as clicking on Amazon links. 8. The potential pitfalls and challenges in Amazon affiliate marketing. First off, the commission structure can be quite challenging. Amazon affiliate commission rates vary from product category to another, some as low as 1%. It means you need to sell high-ticket items or generate a significant amount of traffic to earn substantial income. Another significant challenge is Amazon's strict policy guidelines. Non-compliance can lead to account suspension. For example, you're not allowed to include Amazon user reviews on your website or share affiliate links in emails or ebooks. Low conversion rates can also be a hurdle, especially for beginners. It can take time and a lot of trial and error to figure out what type of content and products resonate with your audience. However, don't let these challenges deter you. With the right strategy, perseverance, and dedication, you can navigate these potential pitfalls and build a successful Amazon affiliate marketing business. 9. Tips and tricks to boost your Amazon affiliate revenue. The first step to increasing your Amazon affiliate revenue is to understand your audience's behavior. What are they looking for? What products are they interested in? When and why do they buy? By understanding these dynamics, you can tailor your content to match their needs, increasing the chances of conversions. Though it might be tempting to promote low-cost products due to their wider appeal, focusing on high-value products can be more profitable. Amazon's affiliate program pays you a percentage of the product price as commission. Thus, promoting a $500 product can earn you more than promoting a $20 product. Amazon regularly runs seasonal deals and promotions, which can be a profitable opportunity for affiliates. By aligning your content with these deals, you can drive more traffic and ultimately increase your affiliate revenue. Your content should always end with a clear and compelling call to action, CTA. This prompts your readers to click on your affiliate links, increasing the likelihood of conversions. 10 case studies, successful Amazon affiliate marketers and their strategies. The first in our list is the Wirecutter. This popular product review site was started by a former editor of Gizmodo, Brian Lamb. It became so successful that it was eventually acquired by the New York Times. Their strategy? They target high-priced, high-demand products and write in-depth, comprehensive reviews. Next is This Is Why I'm Broke. It's an eccentric site that features a variety of unusual and quirky products. They have leveraged the power of virality by focusing on unique, gift-worthy items that people love to share on social media. By now, you should have a solid understanding of Amazon affiliate marketing. It's time to take action and start earning from your online presence. But remember, it's a journey, not a race. Be patient, keep learning, and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button for more content like this. I'm Thomas Harasu, your business coach, and I'll see you in the next video.